Welcome to RPGuru Tech Talk. My name is Renu Prasad. In this video, I will show you how to use a tool that is probably already existing in your phone, and it's very simple to use and can create beautiful images from your own photos. So let's take a look. Make sure you already have the latest version of WhatsApp. And if you do, when you open WhatsApp, you see on the top of your screen which says ask Meta AI or search. So that box should be there in your WhatsApp. So make sure you have that. And then you type in what I'm going to type in here is imagine me. I'm using it for the first time. So I'm saying imagine me as a corporate executive, and it says, okay, you want to do that, so it has to take a picture of you. So you do the steps of allowing it to take a picture. When you click allow, there are three pictures it takes: one towards your right, and one towards your left, and one regular photograph with your full face. Once it does that, it completes the process of uploading a picture for its processing. And it's going to, and it says its setup is complete, click done. Now it's trying to generate a picture using your picture. So now it's created this photograph for me. I feel the hair was not that great, so I may not like it, but I'm still going to try some other type of creation. So I'm saying, imagine as a corporate executive with a black suit. So I'm just going to recreate my image with a black suit. Hopefully this will look better. Yeah, it looks better, but still I'm not very happy with the picture. So I go back to Meta AI at the top of the screen, go to imagine yourself, and I'm going to delete the setup photos. So when I delete that, it's going to re-ask for my access to the photograph. So it's going to retake my photographs. So go back to your screen and type in the same thing, imagine me as a corporate executive. When you do a send, now it's going to redo the photograph. So it's going to take a photograph again, go through the steps of taking a picture of yourself. Make sure you have good lighting and everything so that the picture's really good for Meta AI to use for creating your images. So once I'm ready, I'm going to say take photo. Now it's going back and recreating using the new photograph I just uploaded. So once I do that, if you see, I'm pretty happy with this photograph. So this is how you could use this tool for free. There's no charge for using it multiple times, doing things. It's fun. Here's one more variation. I said, imagine me as royalty. So it looks pretty good. So there's one drawback. The WhatsApp Meta AI only understands what's there available to it. So now I'm going to say, imagine me with Michael Jordan. It doesn't understand what Michael Jordan is because it doesn't go to the internet to find out. So it'll give me an error saying I couldn't do that. Hope this tool helps you. Have fun with it. Enjoy creating beautiful images with it. Talk to you soon.